Hi friends, hope this finds you well. So excited to share this month's Potomac beads with you. So let's get into it. Lavender Latte. I'm really excited about this one. This month's box is all about cozy vibes and warm creativity. Cozy up with fall-inspired pinks, purples, and warm autumn tones. This month's box features gemstones, pearls, crystals, seed beads, and check glass. Perfect for layering and creating your own seasonal sparkle. Please enjoy exclusive laser-cut latte cups and swirling steam accents to glue and layer into your own cozy latte earrings. Ooh, pour yourself a cup, get creative, and let your imagination steam. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. How cute is that? Ooh, super cute. You can't see it, but the cup is purple. And I guess you put it together like that. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Super cute. All right. Ooh, look at those tanzanite bicone beads. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, look at those leaves. Oh my goodness. Topaz leaves. Look at those. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh. And just some regular AB finish on these crystal cubes. They're cubes. Those are fun. Ooh, I like those. So fun. Oh, the color of these pearls. Gorgeous. Old lace. It's beautiful. Look at these vintage copper seed beads. So pretty. Oh my goodness, look at that strand. Jade faceted rondelles. How pretty are those? Look at these tiny pearls. And cream rose. Oh, so dainty. These are so fun. Oh my goodness, look at those. Oh, and these colors. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Vintage rose 11 O's. So pretty. And this strand. Gorgeous. Oh, an October mix of check drops. So much gorgeousness. Look at that. How pretty is that? These are cute. Melon beads. Look at that. And some E6000. Can always use some more E6000. Oh my goodness. Whoops. All right. Oh my goodness. So much goodness. All right. Thank you, friends. See you next time.